Continuing the sports, overcoming debt continues to be a major hurdle for the Jamaica Football Federation. But for 2023, there is a push from the administration to generate their own revenue. Spearheading this push is General Secretary Dennis Chung, who is eyeing several ventures. Jerome Foster reports.
When Jamaica crashed out of World Cup contention in February to Costa Rica, it meant the dry coffers of the Jamaica Football Federation was set to get drier. According to General Secretary Dennis Chung, the administration will be finishing with a deficit this year on the back of playing additional games away from home. FIFA is expected to increase its monthly disbursement for member countries following the World Cup in Qatar, but that will not be the only source of revenue for the JFF.
You know, the Adidas contract is going to be huge for us, which we're going to be unveiling the kits and everything in about January to early February. And also the way the contract is written, it does provide us with a lot of revenue potential, particularly if we get to like the World Cup, qualify for the World Cup and as we move through the stages.
Incorporating Brand Jamaica will now form part of the JFF strategy.
We also have the revenue that comes from sales. We get about 20% of all JFF branded sales worldwide, with Adidas. So putting in place measures for that. And of course, we have some people who are coming in as sponsors because, it would have been a slow year, pick up this year. There has been a lot of changes in terms of the image, the JFF, the public perception, which is good. There are a lot of people now saying, hey, we want to come on, especially with the girls going to the World Cup.
Chung is adamant that the Federation will not only be stretching out their hands, but will also be helping themselves.
There are also some initiatives internally that we do, to save. For example, one of the revenue earning centers that we're looking at is the Horace Burrell Center. So we're putting in come January a new online reservation software, so we're going to be making some money from that.
Chung, who was elevated to the General Secretary position earlier this year to replace Dalton Wint, was speaking on TVJ's morning program Smile Jamaica on Thursday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.